morning, class. So, this is the chapter 13 in which we will reach and we will read The Tempest. One day, Prospero, a magician, tells his daughter Miranda the story of their past, a story he had often started narrating before but never completed. The story is about how they have arrived 12 years ago on the island where they now live. To know the story, read this adapted version of Shakespeare play. First of all, this story is read by William Shakespeare, and William Shakespeare is the best writer of drama and poem, and also the stories too. So we have basically in this chapter, Prospero is a person who is a magician, tells his daughter Miranda. There is two characters. First one is Miranda, who is daughter, and second one is Prospero, who is magician and father too. So basically, we have read that the father, who is Prospero, and the Miranda's daughter, the Prospero told his daughter Miranda that a story about his own life, that when they arrived 12 years ago in the island where they live now, and we will briefly read in the discuss in the further. So far away on the lonely island, there lived a wise old man and his daughter. The man was Prospero, a magician. The daughter was Miranda, a lovely young lady of 16. So in an island, so there was two person who lived, an old man who is Prospero, and the daughter is Miranda. So the girl is of 16 years old. So she is 16, and Prospero knew so much of the art of magic that he was able to command the spirit of the island to obey him. So first of all, Prospero, as we know that he is a magician, so he easily know what is the art of the magic, and he is able to command the spirit of all the island to obey him. The chief of these gentle spirits are Ariel, the lively little creature who was not only devoted of his master but also full of mischief. So there is the next character is called Ariel, who is master of Prospero. So Prospero's master is Ariel, who is a lively little creature and is full of mischief too. Ariel was invisible to all eyes but Prospero's. Prospero's entrusted his most important task to him. So first of all, so Prospero always be responsible to him, and he always give kind of things and kind of important things to his master Ariel. And Ariel was the person who is very mischief and very Ariel is a supernatural creature. He has the supernatural powers too, and Prospero entrusted his most important task to him. So the Prospero gave most important tasks to the Ariel. So he gave most important tasks to the Ariel, and Ariel was a person who had supernatural, a creature who has fairies and elves, these kinds of. So, oh my dear, sorry. One day, Prospero raised a fearful storm by means of his magic power. He took his daughter to the beach to watch a ship struggling against the wind and waves. The ship seemed likely to sink at any moment, and those on board seemed likely to drown. Hearing that those on the ship were human beings, as she and her father, Miranda was filled with Pity. Oh, my dear father, she cried, if you have raised this dreadful storm, have pity on the people aboard the ship. Please don't let them down. Don't be anxious, my child, her father comforted her. No one is going to be hurt. He paused and then went on. So first of all, at that time, they just went to the sea, and his father, as we know, that is a magician. He knows each and everything, that how to control these things and how to control each and every waves and each and every thing of the island. So as one day Prospero raised a fearful storm, and बहुत बड़ा सा उन्होंने एक स्टॉर्म उठाया, एक लहर उठाई, and with the magic power, and he took his daughter to the beach and watched the ship struggling against the wind. So there was a ship which was struggling against the wind, and the water was really really continuous, and the ship seemed likely to sink at any moment, and those on board seemed likely to drown. First of all, at any moment the boat will be drawn, and there was a kind of strong waves and wind at that moment. Hearing that those the ships were filled with human beings, and Miranda was filled with piety. Piety means दुख के साथ वो बहुत ही ज़्यादा fill हो गई, and she said, "Oh my dear father, if you have raised the dreadful storm, have pity on these people on the ship. Please don't let them down." It means that she requested her father that please don't make this storm very badly. They are humans, and I am requesting you to please be very very humble toward them. Ki, so he said, "Don't be anxious, don't worry my child." He said, by comforting her, and said, "No one is going to be harmed." He paused, and then he went. "Miranda, the time has come for me to tell you everything. 12 years ago, I was Duke of Milan, and you, my only child, were a princess, and only my heart. Even at that time, my chief interest was the study of magic, and I spent most of time in my study with the books." So he was saying that, "Miranda, please come with me, and I will tell you everything. 12 years ago, I was a duke. Duke means king. Duke means king." So he was saying that I was the Duke of the Milan, and you were my princess, my only child, and my only heir. Heir means only future king or queen. Future king or queen. So he was saying that you were my only child at that time, and we both have the good time at each other, and I was the Duke of the Duke of Milan. So he said, even at that time, my chief interest was study of magic. At that time, he just wanted to read about the magic, and I spent most of the time in my study with the books. He spent most of the time in the books. I left the management of the dukedom to my youngest brother, Antonio. Antonio, brother of Prospero. So brother of Prospero is called, who is Antonio. So Antonio, I trusted him, but he turned out of the false and treacherous. As you will see, he plotted to rob me of my dukedom, and he was able to do with the aid of his ally, the king of Naples. My cunning brothers put us in a rotten boat without oars and sails, and pushed us to the sea. He thought that we would certainly perish. Fortunately, a kind of old man named Gonzalo saved us. He has placed in the boat water provisions, a peel, and something I most prized, namely my books on magic. Thanks to Gunazo, he were able to reach this island of ours. Now Prospero continued, I shall tell you why I have raised this fearful storm. First of all, he was telling his daughter that how they are appearing here in this island and what happened to him after that. So first of all, in the previous time, he was a king of Milan, and his only interest or to be a magician and to read about the magic. So he left the management and dukeness to the youngest brother Antonio, and he just trusted him very badly, and but the Antonio make him stupid and false and rob his dukedom from him, and he was able to do so with the aid of his ally and the king of Naples. So his cunning brothers put them into the rotten boat and without oars and sails, and he pushed them out of the sea. They thought that they would certainly perish, but unfortunately, a kind of old man named Gonzalo saved them. He had placed in the boat water provision, a pier, and something I most prized, namely my books on magic. Thanks to Gonzalo, who were able to reach this island to ours. First of all, he just wanted to say that कह सकते हैं कि वो पूरी तरीके से समझा रहा था कि क्या हुआ था उस समय उसके साथ. So now Prospero continued, I shall tell you, I have raised this fearful storm. Why I have raised this fearful storm? On the ship over there are many enemies. My brother Antonio and the king of Naples, they will be cast ashore, and I shall meet them face to face. They will be in my power, and they will be at my mercy. Prospero fell silent. He touched his daughter with his magic wand and made her fall asleep. Ariel had just appeared to tell his master what he had done with the passenger and crew of the ship. Miranda would have been alarmed if she had seen her father walking with the empty ear. Well, my brave spirit, you perform your task, Prospero asked Ariel. Ariel have lively description of the storm, the terror of the coast, and how the king's son, Ferdinand, that first jumped into the sea. You have done well, my gently spirit, and now go and bring young prince here. My daughter must see him, Prospero. Smile at some secret thought. First of all, we can say that Prospero was a nice person, and he just want and have interest in the magic, and in the starting he have raised a kind of strong storm, and her baby and her girl just wanted to stop it, but after knowing this, she was very, very upset. Then she was saying that please stop this storm, and this is very, very dangerous, and there is a human being also. Stop it. So he said, I will tell you a story that that my brother Antonio was a person who robbed my seat and and make us very badly and send us to this island, and with the help of Ariel, who is my good spirit, helped me for doing this, and Gonzalo, who saved us, I am thankful to him. And after that, on the ship, there were enemies, my brother Antonio and the king of Naples, and they will be cast ashore, and I shall meet them face to face. They will be in my power, they will be at my mercy. If I have to show my power, and it is on me if whether I will show them the mercy or them the power. So Prospero fell silent after that. He touched his daughter with the magic, and she fell asleep. Adrian had just appeared and tell his master that what he had done with the passengers of the crew of the ship, and Miranda would have been alarmed if she had seen her father walking in the empty air. Well, my brave spirit, how have you performed your task? Prospero asked Ariel. Ariel had a lively description of the storm, the terrorist caused, and how the king's son, Ferdinand, was first jumped into the sea. You have done well, my gentle spirit. Now go and bring your prince here. My daughter must see him. Prospero's mind is something different. तो कह सकते हैं हमने स्टार्टिंग में ही पढ़ा था कि अलग सा एक आइलैंड था जहाँ पे ये दो लोग रहते थे, एक प्रॉस्पेरो नाम का एक मैजिशियन जादूगर और एक लड़की रहती थी जिसका नाम मिरांडा था। तो प्रॉस्पेरो को मैजिक बहुत अच्छे से वो जानता था और वो उस आइलैंड के स्पिरिट्स को कंट्रोल करना भी जानता था। तो पहली बात तो वो वहाँ का एक चीफ था जिसका नाम था एरियल, जो कि एक लिटिल क्रिएचर था जो कि बहुत ही ज़्यादा सुपर नेचुरल पावर्स थी उसके अंदर, अलग सी पावर थी। और एरियल वॉज इनविजिबल, वो किसी के आंखों में नहीं देख, मतलब वो कोई उसे देख नहीं सकता था, बट प्रॉस्पेरो देख सकता था। प्रॉस्पेरो बहुत ही ज़्यादा उस पर ट्रस्ट करता था और वो उसके सारे इंपॉर्टेंट टास्क भी किया करता था। एक दिन क्या हुआ कि प्रॉस्पेरो ने बहुत ही ज़्यादा स्टॉर्म उठाया, तूफान उठाया, जिसकी वजह से वो अपनी बेटी को शिप कह रहे हैं, बीच पर लेके गया। एंड देयर वॉज एक बोट थी वहाँ पे जो स्ट्रगल कर रही थी वेव्स के साथ, हवा के साथ और तूफान के साथ। द शिप सीम लाइकली टू सिंक, कभी भी वो शिप डूब सकती थी। और ऐसा देखते ही उस मिरांडा को बहुत बुरा लगता है और वो कहती है कि पापा, अगर आपने ये ड्रेडफुल स्टॉर्म उठाया है तो प्लीज़ उन आदमियों पर दया करिए। वो कहते हैं कि तुम परेशान मत हो, किसी को कोई हार्म नहीं पहुंचेगा। और मिरांडा वो बोलते हैं कि मिरांडा तुम मेरे साथ आओ और मैं तुम्हें सब कुछ बताता हूँ, आई विल टेल यू एवरीथिंग। इसके पहले हम लोग एक राजा थे और मैं मिलन का राजा था। मिलन एक जगह थी, मिलन वॉज अ प्लेस, और वो वहाँ के राजा थे। एंड द चाइल्ड वॉज प्रिंसेस, वो वहाँ की प्रिंसेस थी, राजकुमारी थी और एक इकलौती उत्तराधिकारी थी। एंड इवन एट द टाइम ऑफ माई चीफ, और कह सकते हैं कि मैजिक उनका हमेशा से इंटरेस्ट था और वो अपना मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम बुक्स वगैरह में रखते थे। तो उन्होंने अब सारी मैनेजमेंट छोड़ दी और मैनेजमेंट के लिए उन्होंने पूरी तरीके से अपने भाई एंटोनियो को सब कुछ दे दिया। बट एंटोनियो ने उनके साथ गलत किया और पूरे तरीके से उनको बर्बाद किया और उनकी जगह उनका ड्यूकडम ले लिया, उनकी किंगडम ले लिया विद द हेल्प ऑफ द किंग नेपल्स के साथ मिलकर ऐसा किया। उन्होंने कहा मेरे दुष्ट भाई ने हमें एक सड़ी हुई बोट से जोड़कर हमें बिना किसी भी हेल्प के साथ इस सी में डाल दिया और वो सोचा कि हम किसी भी समय डूब जाएंगे। बट एक गोंजालो नाम के एक आदमी ने हमें बचाया, उसने हमें बोट में रखा और कह सकते हैं पानी और हर चीज़ों से उसने हमें बचाया। इसलिए मैं बहुत ही थैंक यू हूँ गोंजालो का। नाउ प्रॉस्पेरो ने कहा कि अब मैं तुम्हें बताता हूँ कि मैंने स्टॉर्म क्यों उठाया। क्योंकि शिप में मेरे सबसे बड़े एनिमीज़ हैं मेरा भाई एंटोनियो और किंग ऑफ नेपल्स। दे विल बी कास्ट अशोर एंड आई शिल मीट देम फेस टू फेस। उन्होंने कहा कि वो सब यहाँ आ रहे हैं और मुझे भी उनसे फेस टू फेस मिलना है। दे विल बी इन माई पावर, दे विल बी एट माई मर्सी। तो कह सकते हैं कि वो मेरी जगह पे रहेंगे, वो मेरी पावर पे रहेंगे, वो मेरी दया पे रहेंगे, क्योंकि ये जगह मेरी है और इस जगह की हर चीज़ पे मेरा जादू चलता है। सो प्रॉस्पेरो फेल साइलेंट, प्रॉस्पेरो फिर शांत हो गया। एंड ही टच्ड हिज डॉटर विद द मैजिक, उसने अपनी बेटी को जादू से छुआ जिससे वो नींद में सो गई। फिर एरियल वहाँ आया और उसने पूछा कि क्या हुआ। फिर प्रॉस्पेरो ने एरियल से पूछा कि क्या हुआ। एरियल ने बताया कि वहाँ पे सब बहुत परेशान हैं और फिर फर्डिनेंड नाम का जो एक प्रिंस है, जो किंग का बेटा है, वो सबसे पहले ही पानी में कूद गया तो ऐसा कहते ही प्रॉस्पेरो कहता है कि तुमने बहुत अच्छा काम किया है और तुम इस प्रिंस को लेके आओ यहाँ पर, जिससे प्रिंसेस भी उन्हें देखेगी और वो भी उन्हें जानेगी। ऐसा कहते हुए ही जस्ट स्माइल्ड वेरी डिफरेंटली। प्रॉस्पेरो गेव सम अदर कमांड to Ariel and promised to free him after they have been completed. Ariel obediently flew off where Ferdinand was sitting sadly on the rocks. Come, sir, follow me, Ariel commanded him. So Prospero gave some commands to the Ariel and promised to free him after they had completed. So Ariel obediently flew off and to the Ferdinand, and Ferdinand was sitting on a rock, and he said to the Ferdinand that please come, sir, with me and follow me. The young prince was astonished on hearing a voice coming from the empty air, but he obeyed. Ariel sang a song to lead him to Prospero and Miranda, who were sitting on the shade of a tree. Miranda saw Ferdinand first and could not believe her eyes. Except for her father, she had never seen a man before. "Oh, father, look at that beautiful creature," she exclaimed. "Is that a spirit?" So कह सकते हैं प्रॉस्पेरो ने कमांड दिया एरियल को कि वो जाए और फर्डिनेंड को लेके आए, और वो उससे प्रॉमिस करते हैं कि ये पूरी चीज़ें होने के बाद वो उसे फ्री कर देंगे। और इसके बाद जब वो वहाँ पे जाता है एरियल, पहली बात तो वो और किसी को दिखता नहीं है, ही वॉज इनविजिबल टू एवरीवन। आफ्टर हैविंग दिस the Ferdinand was very astonished and he was stunned that from where the voice is coming. So after that, but he continued to follow the spirit, and there was Ariel sang a song to lead him to Prospero and Miranda, who were sitting in the shade of a tree. So Miranda ने जब फर्डिनेंड को पहली दफ़ा देखा तो उसे बिलीव ही नहीं हुआ, क्योंकि she have never seen a human except to his father. उसने अपने फादर को छोड़ के किसी भी इंसान को नहीं देखा था, और उन्हें देखते ही उसने कहा कि "ओ फादर, लुक एट द ब्यूटिफुल क्रीचर." ओ फादर, ये कितना सुंदर क्रीचर है। शी एक्सक्लेम, "इट्स अ स्पिरिट." क्या वो स्पिरिट है? सो ही सेड, "नो चाइल्ड, इट्स नॉट अ स्पिरिट, इट ईट्स एंड स्लीप जस्ट एज वी डू." उन्होंने कहा कि नो, इट्स नॉट अ स्पिरिट, इट्स जस्ट अ नॉर्मल ह्यूमन बीइंग लाइक अस. सो he is wandering about looking for his friend. So he said that he is looking to his friend, and Miranda was delighted with the sight of the handsome young prince. She thought all men have grey faces and grey beards like her father. Ferdinand had astonished to finding a lovely maiden in the wild and lovely spot. He took her for the goddess of the island and addressed her as one. Miranda told him timidly that she was no goddess but a simple maiden. Prospero was very pleased that two had fallen in love at first sight. At the same, he wanted to test their love by putting difficulties to their way. So first of all, मिरांडा को भी वो फर्डिनेंड बहुत ही अच्छा लगा था, और फर्डिनेंड at the first sight he liked the girl very much, and after that he was very stunned at what kind of thing it was. And she thought all the men have the grey faces and grey beard and these kind of problems. So after knowing Prospero, that Prospero was very pleased and happy with that thing, that they both fallen in love with each other, and at that time he wanted to test their love by putting difficulties in their way. So अभी तक हमने ये चीज़ पढ़ी कि किस तरीके से उन्होंने कह सकते हैं कि उनका देखा, उनके प्रॉस्पेरो चीज़ों को देखी, और प्रॉस्पेरो ने पूरी तरीके से ठान लिया कि वो वन बाय वन सबकी प्रॉब्लम्स को फेस करेगा और सबको देखेगा और सबको बताएगा कि अब उसके पास स्पिरिचुअल पावर है और वो उन सबको भी फेस कर सकता है. तो वी विल डिस्कस ईच एंड एवरीथिंग इन द फर्दर वीडियो. थैंक यू वेरी मच.